Right, Vincent?
Soft tips.
Yeah.
We just gotta secure them.
Let me look at that big old booty.
It's pretty sure.
Oh, wait. Basketball went under there.
Yeah, no. My only thing is that...
Bounce that booty like a basketball.
My sole problem is that why is this one not like the other one?
What you mean, dog?
What, like the lining?
Yeah, like why is this one a bit lower than the other one?
It's always like that.
It is?
Yeah, it's like that on both of ours too.
Okay, so the right's supposed to be lower than the left?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's just like
That's
your
the way
balls, nigga. So they don't hit each other.
Yeah. So you need that that bolt down there. That's by Jaden's foot.
If you see something under there, just
This nigga.
How the fuck?
Bruh, it's not lower than the front. You fucking goof.
Stupid. I'm not gonna.
What's up?
We got a situation.
What's up?
It's a little bit farther than it was before.
Did you?
Yes.
Nope.
Yes,
nope.
he did.
I'm popping the basketball more. No good.
Yeah, you gonna need another one.
What if it blow up?
It's not gonna blow up. It's just the exhaust. You gotta rev it.
I'm gonna come.
We might need to go down the street in track mode.
Yeah.